Today, we're looking at yeast. Yeast is a single-cell living organism. In the kitchen, we use something called active dry yeast. Yeast's favorite food is sugar. When you combine warm water, sugar, and yeast, something called CO2 gets released, which is carbon dioxide. It's a gas, so you can't see or feel CO2. I have an experiment that we might be able to capture some of the CO2 in a balloon. In this bottle, we have 1 packet of active dry yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Remember, sugar is yeast's favorite food. Now, we're gonna add 1 cup of warm water, approximately 120 degrees. If the water is too cold, the yeast won't wake up. But if the water is too hot, it'll kill the yeast. And we don't want that. Okay, let's see what happens. Wow, that is really cool. The water temperature was perfect, and the yeast did exactly what we thought it would. It gobbled up all of the sugar and mixed with the warm water to do its yeasty dance and create CO2, carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and it helped blow up the balloon. So even though we can't see it, we know that the chemical reaction is happening. And guess what? This is how we get fluffy breads.